Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 5-46M Lubricator Eccentric Shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to be building part 5-46M Lubricator Eccentric Shaft for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, MMGS. Alright, let's go to front plane. Actually, let's go to top plane, sketch. Now, actually, no, cancel that. We're going to go front plane. We're going to do a circle. I'm going to do this a little bit different than normal. Let's see, it's going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. We are MMGS, yep. So I'm not too sure which one down here. You can click down here, you can tell you can always change if you have to. But we are MMGS. Let's see now. Feature extrude is going to be 20, 45.5. Should be 45.5. That's going to be mid-plane. And just confirm I got that right. It's going to be 12 plus 23.5 plus 10. 45.5. Yep. Did I say 45 or 45.5? Oh, I can't remember now. Anyway, it's correct. So let's do that one there. Okay. Now, there's going to be a thicker part here, but I'm going to do something a little different. Normally I build it up because it's going to be threaded, but it's going to be threaded the same both ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, what am I doing? Right plane. Normal. Sketch. We're going to do the construction line. Right there to there. Beautiful. Then we're going to do out of that. Reference plane. Go and click on the line, click on the endpoint, and OK. Click on anywhere in open space, de-highlight that. Click on that line, plane. Click on that line, click on the endpoint, and OK. Now we don't need this anymore, so we can hide the center line now. Okay, we go whole wizard red, and it's 5, isn't it? Yeah, which is what we had before, 5. Now we want the circle. We want one end plane and we want the other end plane. And then we can go OK, which is going to work. Perfect. I was waiting for the error. Get rid of those planes. We're done with those. So that's there. Now we want to go. Mid-plane. Let's do mid-plane. Sorry, front plane. Me goes sketch. I think I'm doing a normal turbo. I'm not going to circle. Smart dimension, which is going to be how wide? 6.5. 6.5. Now we want to do. It's all fully defined. Beautiful. We want extrude. But we want offset from surface, but it's going to be 12. It's going to be that surface. Second direction, offset from surface, and it's going to be 10. Hello. Sorry. Offset from surface. What? No measurement there. 10. And it's going to be that surface. And okay. There we go. That way, the thread goes right up to it. There's no blocked in area, which is exactly what we want. Let's see. 5 mil, yes. 12 and 20. Sorry, 12 and 10. So here, if we evaluate, measure, so if we measure from that circle to that circle, it should be 23.5. Perfect. That's 6.5. There we go. That's part 5-46M Lubricated Eccentric Shaft done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Let me know if you learned something below. I'm always happy to hear from guys and girls. So thank you for watching. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.